This is 12th standard from science syllabus. We are continuing with exercise 1.2. We are continuing with exercise 1.2, which is from derivative chapter, which is from differentiation chapter. Okay, science के syllabus में से exercise 1.2 का question number 2 है ये. So what it is, find the derivative of the inverse function. Find the derivative of the inverse function of the following. जो हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 देखा था उसमें क्या देखा था कि फाइंड द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ y, फाइंड द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ y बाय फाइंडिंग द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ इनवर्स फंक्शन x इज इक्वल टू एफ इनवर्स ऑफ y. तो उसमें हम क्या करते थे, पहले dx अपॉन dy निकालते थे और फिर उसके ऊपर से हम dy बाई dx निकालते थे. नाउ हियर इट इज वी हैव टू फाइंड द इनवर्स फंक्शन. इनवर्स फंक्शन मीन्स व्हाट, वी हैव टू फाइंड dx अपॉन dy. So by regular method we will first find dy by dx. So it is y is equal to x square into e raised to x. So what is the solution? Y is equal to x square into e raised to x. So differentiate with respect to x. The first step is find dy by dx. Now if you see, these two functions are in multiplication, so we will apply here u into v rule. So first function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function. So it is equal to x square into derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x plus e raised to x as it is into derivative of x square is 2x. So if you see here, hence what is the value of dy by dx? See, ये सब तो dy by dx की value. Here you can take out e raised to x common. So e raised to x taken common, in bracket what is remaining? In bracket what is remaining? E raised to x taken common, in bracket x square plus 2x. Okay, so this is your value for dy by dx. So what is the inverse function? So by the theorem of inverse function, or hence the inverse function is given by dx upon dy is equal to 1 upon dy by dx. So it is equal to 1 upon e raised to x. You can take out here x also common, and in bracket if you take out here x common, देखो हम यहाँ पे क्या कर सकते हैं, e raised to x into x you can take out common. So in bracket what is remaining, x plus 2. This is the required dy by dx. Okay, next y is equal to x into 7 raised to x. So what is the solution for this? Okay, y is equal to x into 7 raised to x. So again here differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to, again you will apply here u into v rule. So x into derivative of 7 raised to x plus 7 raised to x into derivative of x. So it is equal to x into derivative of 7 raised to x, a raised to x into log of a, plus 7 raised to x into derivative of x is 1. So here what you can take out common, 7 raised to x taken common, in bracket x into log of 7 plus 1. 7 raised to x taken common, in bracket x into log of 7 plus 1. This is your value for dy by dx. But what we require? We require the inverse function. Hence what is inverse function? Inverse function is given by dx upon dy is equal to 1 upon dy by dx. And what it is, 1 upon dy by dx, it is equal to, so dx upon dy is equal to 1 upon, what is dy by dx? It is 7 raised to x into log of 7 plus 1. This is your required answer. You can write here 1 and you can write here from 1. For last step you can write from 1. We have to find here the value of dx upon dy. Okay, now we will take the next problem. Wait a minute. So y is equal to x into log x. Y is equal to x into log x. Again same method, we have to find dx upon dy. So here the solution, I am writing solution. What is a given function? Y is equal to x into log x. So differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to x into derivative of log x. See, again two functions are in multiplication. So first function into derivative of सेकेंड फंक्शन log x का डेरिवेटिव मैंने डायरेक्ट लिख दिया, प्लस log x into derivative of x is 1. So here it is x get cancelled, 1 plus log x, 1 plus log x. So here value for dy by dx is 1 plus log x. But what we require? We require the inverse function. Hence what is inverse function? Inverse function is given by dx upon dy, which is nothing but 1 upon dy by dx. And what is 1 upon dy by dx? What is the value of dy by dx? 1 plus log x. So we will put here 1 plus log x from 1. So this is your required dx upon dy. This is your required inverse function. Okay. Next, find the derivative of the find the derivative of inverse of the following functions. Inverse of the following function, and also find their value at the point indicated against them. At the points indicated against them. So same method we have to again find here dx upon dy, and dx upon dy का value we have to find at point x is equal to 0. To find dx upon dy, first step is we will find dy by dx. Okay, so the solution is y is equal to e raised to x plus 3x plus 2. Okay, now here differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx, dy by dx क्या हो जाएगा फिर यहाँ पे e raised to x का डेरिवेटिव e raised to x. सी इफ़ यू अप्लाई हियर डेरिवेटिव, मिडल साइन इज प्लस साइन, सो क्या करेंगे हम डेरिवेटिव तीनों टर्म्स को अप्लाई कर देंगे. तो पहले टर्म का डेरिवेटिव आएगा e रेज टू एक्स, सेकेंड टर्म का डेरिवेटिव आएगा 3, स्केलर टेकन आउटसाइड, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x इज 1, प्लस कांस्टेंट का डेरिवेटिव आ जाएगा 0. सो योर dy by dx इज e रेज टू एक्स प्लस 3. Okay, what we require the inverse function of the following function. Hence what is inverse function? Inverse function is given as dx upon dy is equal to 1 upon dy by dx. So dx upon dy is equal to 1 upon dy by dx. And what is dy by dx? E raised to x plus 3. But what is given? We have to find c and also find their value at point indicated against them. So we have to find the value of dx upon dy at point x is equal to 0. So how you will write? Hence at point x is equal to 0, what you will write? Dx upon dy at point x is equal to 0, value of x will become 0. So e raised to 0 plus 3. And what is e raised to 0? Anything raised to 0 is 1. So 1 plus 3. So answer is 1 by 4. So this is a value of dx upon dy at point x is equal to 0. At point x is equal to 0. The required answer is 1 by 4. The required answer is 1 by 4. Okay. Similarly, we will see the next problem. Y is equal to sine of x minus 2 plus x square, and we have to find the value of dx upon dy at point x is equal to 2. At point x is equal to 2. Okay, so here I am writing the solution. Y is equal to sine of x minus 2 plus x square. So differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx, it is equal to d by dx of sine of x minus 2 plus x square. So as middle sign is plus sign, we will apply the derivative to both the terms. So it is derivative of sine of x minus 2 plus derivative of x square. Now derivative of sine is cos of x minus 2 into डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x माइनस 2. इफ़ यू सी हियर इट इज़ अ कंपोजिट फंक्शन. तो पहले फंक्शन का डेरिवेटिव आ गया cos ऑफ x माइनस 2, सेकेंड फंक्शन हम वैसे के वैसे रिपीट करते हैं इनटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ सेकेंड फंक्शन. ओके, प्लस डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x स्क्वायर 2x यूजिंग x रेज टू n फॉर्म. सो इट इज़ cos ऑफ x माइनस 2, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x इज 1, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ कॉन्स्टेंट इज 0. सो दिस इज़ योर वैल्यू फॉर dy by dx. ओके, तो dy by dx क्या हो गया यहाँ पे cos ऑफ x माइनस टू, 1 माइनस 0 इज़ 1, 1 से इसको मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद वैल्यू रिमेन सेम. ओके, बट व्हाट वी रिक्वायर, मीन्स व्हाट इज़ द इन्वर्स फंक्शन. इन्वर्स फंक्शन आ जाएगा यहाँ पे dx अपॉन dy. इट इज़ इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन dy बाई dx. इट इज़ इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन cos of x minus 2 plus 2x. But next, what is given? We have to find the value of this inverse function at x is equal to 2. At x is equal to 2. So at x is equal to 2, we require the value of dx upon dy. So we will write this point here at x is equal to 2. So it is 1 upon cos of, what is the value of x? x क्या हो गया यहाँ पे 2. So it is 2 minus 2 प्लस 2 इंटू 2. जहाँ पे x है हम उसको रिप्लेस करेंगे 2 से. तो यहाँ पे एक x है और यहाँ पे एक x है, दोनों को हमने 2 से रिप्लेस कर दिया. सो इट इज़ इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन cos of 0 प्लस 2 इंटू 2 4. सो 1 अपॉन cos 0. व्हाट इज cos 0? cos 0 इज़ 1. So 1 plus 4. So the answer is 1 by 5. So the required answer is 1 by 5. Okay. So with this we will end the lecture.